Hello and welcome back to 21 Days on the Mountain, a chance for us to create space and take a breath. This is day 14, and today we're going to be focusing on space. The last couple of days have been quite content rich. I've talked quite a lot, shared some of my thoughts with you, and today I think I just want to give you the chance to feel more spacious, to listen less to my voice and more to the sounds of where I'm standing here. And we're also going to be looking at the sky, because even in the most cramped of conditions, whenever we have a window, we can look at the sky. And I find that one of my favorite things to do is to lie on the grass, the grass, because it's comfortable, to lie on the grass and just look up at the sky. And I find whenever I do that, afterwards I just somehow feel as if I have more space inside, more spacious. My thoughts are less jumbled. Everything feels clearer. So the sky is always there, but how often do we look up? So today, in our 2 minutes of silence, we're going to show you the sky that's here, and we're going to be inviting you just to watch the very gradual change in the sky over that 2-minute period. There's a slight breeze here today, so the clouds are moving very gently, very softly. And I've been standing myself and watching one cloud for about 15 minutes, and it was fascinating to see the imperceptible change that occurred over that 15 minutes, and yet the sky from the beginning of that period to the end of that period changed significantly, but very gradually. So I became quite absorbed by it, and I noticed that in concentrating fully on it for that period, when I came out of that meditation, that cloud meditation, everything felt quite different. And whilst you're meditating, you'll have the sound of the river. This river here on my left, known as the Torrent de Gifre, so the torrent of the Gifre Valley, which is fed from many different sources, including the waterfall, the Cascade de Rouget, the magnificent waterfall that was the subject of one of our videos a few days ago. So you'll have the chance to listen to the sound of the water as you contemplate the changing, imperceptibly almost changing pattern of the cloud in the sky. So to bring us into that contemplation, let's remember the 3 steps of our pause practice. The first, as I'm doing now, is to press a pause button. The second is to bring our awareness inside as best we can. And the third is to bring a conscious awareness to our breathing. We tune in, if you like, to the pattern and depth and flow of our breath. So I'm going to close my eyes, as I always do, to help me concentrate. And for the moment, just at the beginning of this practice, I invite you to do the same, as a way of grounding and centering your attention, your awareness, and helping you to concentrate. So coming into this space between your sternum and your navel, become aware of your breath and follow the flow of your breath into your body. until it arrives into this space. And as you breathe in, allow your in-breath to create more space inside. And allow your out-breath to release, or to help you release any tension and let go. Breathing in, I know I am breathing in. Breathing out, I know I am breathing out. And enjoy contemplating the sky and this cloud and this pattern of clouds for the next 2 minutes. As you watch the sky, think of it as an act of self-kindness, of self-care. And when you're ready, on your next out-breath, gently open your eyes. So how are you feeling now? What are you noticing? And when you next feel like it, and perhaps every day, remember to take a moment to look out of the window, to step outside, to lean against a wall, to lie on the grass and look up. And spend a few minutes contemplating the sky, the space, the clouds, the movement, the change. And see what happens when you do. Thank you for joining me today. Have a wonderfully spacious day, and in those moments where you might not feel so spacious, where you might feel in some way confined, remember you can always pause and look up.